Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Back out here in the old truckster. The old piece of crap. Listen to this. It spins. I'm scared. I just saw a snake over there. You know, like these snakes. Listen to something cool. Here. She spinnies. So the other night, I mean it was night. I thought I shot that. Brand new starter in it, boy. Me and Nathan, they were working on it. That's amazing. He got something stuck, and we had to make the copper wire magnet. It was a mess, and we got everything. Starter works. New starter. Yes, it was the starter for the spinnies. Then I was like, okay, the whole reason we got a starter is to see if it had spark. So I tested that. Guess how much sparkages it had? 0. So yeah, we didn't have any sparkages. So that no good. But we back out here on it. Sure. And today we do that. We're putting on some brand new from Never Start battery terminal thingies. So yeah, that should be good. There we go. Dude, this might work good on soon. Oh yeah. Okay, there we go. Get this too. Alrighty. I got some nice 4x4s here. Just saw that snake again. Yeah, me no likey snakes. What was that? I hate snakes, dude. Anywho, get that boy. Holy cow, boy, that's. Oh shit. Okay. Diggy. There we go. Now we just gotta hotting it down. Oh yeah, dude. Stinking hate snakes, dude. Yeah, me no likey snakes. I do not like. Ouch! Ah! A bunch of rocks just sticking to my knees. I said get on it. There you go. There you go. What are you doing? You get. There we go. No more vice grips to hold the battery on. Ow, maybe. There we go, just get her nice and tight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, dude. I mean, she ain't going nowhere. Ha. Probably a half inch. I'll be right back. Would you stop? Dude, it's literally mad. Dude, what? This is like the first time. Look how brand new. Just brand new. Just look at her. Dude, she shakes the whole. That's what we want. Oh shoot, I want to set a little more. That way there. So that way I can be a little more comfortable. I don't really want that touching that there. I'll just beat it. Oh, that's how you do it. Beat. Up. Oh, there we go. tight. I said now we tight. There we go. You guys couldn't see anything the whole time because stupid knee was in the way, apparently. There we go. Get it nice and tight. She ain't going nowhere. Now, look at this terminal. Dude, that is bad. We did the old flip trick, but yeah. So I'm gonna get that ugly thing. Alright, now we got our shooting bowl on her. Alrighty, that'll do her. Now we just take this mold and we tighten the ladder. This thing is gonna be cement in like 10 seconds here. I probably should put, I'm gonna put that the other way. It's upside down, but it should work. Yeah, it'll work. It'll be upside down, it'll buff. Hey Cooper, you smell snake? Cause I saw a snake. Boy, you did right there. Okay, would you? Beat the crap. I'll beat the bigger hammer. We need bigger hammer. There. The other side had no problem. What the heck? Maybe this will help. I just found it in my toolbox that I just made for that thing. Yeah, no, that's not gonna help. Maybe it's because it's not supposed to go on that way. Yeah, definitely. Okay, you know what? It's gotta make it bigger. There's that snake. Sit there. In there. You know, I hate snakes. We're just gonna get out of there. Dakey, dakey. Hey, pads have arrived. Piece of junk. Come on. What a pile! That'll do it. Dude, like she ain't going nowhere on us. Fish. Sometimes violence is the answer. There's my knee in the way. That'll do it. Okie dokie. Oh yeah, dude. She's looking mean. Yeah. Okay, okie dokie. Now, tuck this boy up right there. for that negative one now. Why you both fall off? Thank you. What the? Idiot. This idiot doing? There we go. Okay. This battery kind of sucks, so probably will have to. Okay, let's just go right there. There we go. Okie dokie, that'll do. Okay. Okay, now we're going to see if she'll work. Alrighty. Man! Okay. Name more ice cream. I thought I heard something. Yeah, just that snake over there. I don't like snakes. It's looking at me. Yeah, we're getting out of here. Okay. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember to like and subscribe for more videos on this beautiful old gal. Oh yeah, we got a toolbox here. Pretty much. Anyway, guys, remember to like and subscribe. Have a great night. Why is this thing not turn off?